Welcome back, my A.C.C family. What we got going on today, we're going to be putting this GM E85 flex fuel sensor into this 40T performance flex fuel sensor bypass module. So if y'all ready, I know I'm ready. Let's get to it. All right, y'all, let's check out what we got in the box. Right off top, we got the instruction link. You hit the QR code, it'll take you to the link, and it's a sticker. What else we got in here? We got the O-rings, the screws, and it come with an alley key for the screws, but you will need another alley key. We got, I think this is 6 AN, 4 AN, and 8 AN. Let me double check. Pick it back up. Yeah, 6 AN, 4 AN, and 8 AN, and of course, we using 8 AN. You already know it. We got a sticker, because we love stickers. Yes, sir. We got the mounting bracket. Now, keep in mind, on the site, it says it does not come with that mounting bracket, but it really does. It's in the box. All right? And we got the two halves. Here's one. We're pulling out the other one. All right? Let's go. So, pretty much going to go like this. It's going to sit in between now, this E85 stuff. Hold on, let me open it up. Our E85 flex fuel. Yeah. Genuine GM parts. That's all my sensors are always genuine GM parts. I don't mess with nothing else. Alright, so this is the sensor, right? So it should sit in there just like that. Alright, so let's do this. Alright, there go the O-rings. There go all the bolts you're gonna need. You feel me? So what we'll do first, right? If I remember them correctly, what we'll do first is open these O-rings up. We're going to take 2 and 2, 2. We're not going to worry about these big ones. We just want 2 of these small ones for now. Y'all see them? I think all these small ones the same size. There you go. Take a little oil. Slap it around this O-ring right here. And then, I think what we do, we just put the O-ring down in there like that. Y'all see that? Put the O-ring down in there like that. Y'all see that? Hold on, let me get it in there first. Then maybe y'all can see it. Y'all see that O-ring down in there? Yeah. Alright, now I think I'm going to take this one. Put a little oil on the O-ring, right? We're going to do the same thing. We're going to stick it down on this side of it. You feel me? Making sure it's in there straight. Taking my pinky and making sure it's in there straight. Y'all see that? Right, I can live with that. Y'all see that's down in there straight with a little oil on it. Go back, double check, make sure this one down in there straight, which it wasn't. Alright. I'm going to take 1/2 of this sensor. Making sure it slides through the O-rings good. Y'all see the O-ring went on there good? Put it down just like that, right? I'm going to take another one of these big O-rings. I'm going to put some oil on my finger. I'm going to take one of these big O-rings, put oil on it. Put a little oil on it. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to set this right in the top of this groove right there like that. Can y'all see that? Y'all see how I set that in there? I'm going to take this other cap off. Now remember, we already got an O-ring down there. So all you have to do, making sure that O-ring line up good. And set it down on there like that. Making sure that bottom O-ring good. Which it should be. So take these 4 screws right here. And just run them down. Boom. Yeah, we'll get to that in a minute. Let's put these 2 little things in here. All right, here go one. I'm bringing y'all back. I gotta go get a alley key to fit this. All right, I'm bringing y'all back. But this is what that 40T flex fuel filter look like. Now I can flip it over either way. It don't matter. They both is a pass through. Cause if y'all look straight through there, y'all see it straight through there. But it's really a straight pass through. So we don't have no restriction. Alright. I'm gonna bring y'all back. Let me go get the other key for this thing. Come on, little buddy. Come on, we're gonna turn it down. Alright, y'all see that? Now remember, we don't want this thing to roll. We just really wanted this to, it ain't gonna slide, but you don't want to roll it. So that's the block. Now, if we wanted to, we could have blocked these off, these side ports, and fed out of here. But we don't want to do that. Alright, boom. Alright, so I probably want this thing to sit just like this. So let's get the AN8 fittings. We want these two AAN board. Alright. So let's open this up. Man, I took my things back, but it's all good. Put some oil around this. And this thing come with extra O-rings and stuff, so keep up with them. Alright, y'all see? Now I didn't roll that. I just slid it on there, so what we'll do, we'll just take this and screw it in here like so. And that's it. That's all. That's this thing finna be done. Gotta tighten that up. We'll do that when I go back to the garage. But that's it, y'all. That's pretty much it. E85 40T bypass sensor.